Hey friends, on today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to operate one of these Brinks little lock boxes and change the code. Now, if you just get it out of the package, the default code is actually 0000. As you can see, that opens up the lockbox like this. Now, on the inside, you're going to have a little reset button that's down here on the bottom. It looks like this. So I'm just going to push this over to the right here, and as you can see, it stays. And that is going to enable us to come and set up our code now. So let's go ahead again, just for this video's sake, let's do 2001. How about that? So once we have the correct code that we want to change it to locked in, we'll come over here. I'm going to push this back over. As you can see, I just pushed it in and then it pushed back out like that. And then once we close it, you can see I can spin this now and it'll lock back up. So let's go ahead and make sure that code was locked in. We're going to go 2, 0, 0, and 1, just like that. As you can see, it opens up. So that is how you reset the code on one of these little Brinks lock boxes. Super easy to do. Hopefully that helps make your life just a little bit easier. Stay tuned. We've got a bunch of these little life hacks and tips and tricks coming up for you soon. Thanks for watching.